Today, I'll show you a small but extremely effective tip to make your egg dish both eye-catching and delicious. That's a soft and silky rolled egg with multiple layers, simple to make. We'll start with 5 eggs. Crack the egg into the same bowl. First, separate the yolks and whites into 2 different bowls. This separation will give your rolled eggs a striking marbled effect with distinct yellow and white patterns. If you have a plastic bottle on hand, you're really lucky because you can use it to separate the yolks from the whites quickly without needing any complicated tools. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect from all over the world to create beautiful egg dishes together. Next, add 30 milliliters of unsweetened milk to the cup. Then add a tablespoon of cornstarch and stir until it's fully dissolved. This mixture will make the egg layers softer and less likely to tear when rolling. Split the milk mixture in half. Put half into the egg yolk bowl. Add salt and pepper and gently stir. The remaining half goes into the egg white bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Gently stir to thin the egg white evenly for easy thin layering. Remember, you don't need to whip it. Choose a good non-stick pan with a flat bottom and even heat retention. It will be ideal for this dish. Place the pan on the stove over low heat, add a little oil, and use a brush to spread a thin layer of oil across the entire surface. Pour a thin layer of egg yolk mixture into the pan. As soon as the eggs start to set, use 2 silicone spatulas to gently roll them into a round shape. Don't wait until the eggs are completely dry before rolling them, because they'll be more prone to cracking and won't stick together. Once you've rolled the first layer, push the rolled egg aside, spread a little oil over the empty part of the pan, then pour a thin layer of egg white. Tilt the pan so some of the egg white flows down under the roll, helping the new layer stick better. When the white is just set, Gently roll it into a round shape and continue. After rolling, push the rolled egg to the side to add the yolk layer. Keep layering until all the prepared eggs are used up. Once the rolled egg is done, gently roll it around in the pan to ensure all sides are evenly cooked. Now let's transfer the egg to the plate and use a knife to cut it into thick slices about 2 to 3 centimeters wide. When you cut it open, you'll see beautiful alternating layers of yolk and white, with melted cheese right in the center. It looks really appealing. The egg layers are soft, not dry, and perfectly bonded. Arrange the slices on the plate with the cut side up, and sprinkle a bit of parsley or ground pepper on top. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.